Most of us believe that tax returns are for working professionals, right? That's not true. Even as a student in Germany, you can and should file your tax returns. It is definitely worth it. Hello everyone and welcome to Ananas. This video is for all the students in Germany and also for working professionals who recently completed their studies. Do you know if you are a student having a tough time managing your expenses, then you can get a tax bonus from the tax office. I'll explain you how to get that using Elster. Let's begin. If you are doing your first degree, such as bachelor's, then you can deduct your study costs as special expenses and not income related expenses. This means that the deductions are limited to 6,000 euros a year and you don't get a tax bonus or any loss carry forward. But if you are doing your second degree, such as a second bachelor's or master's, then you can deduct your study costs as income related expenses. These expenses can exceed 6,000 euros a year and also you can get a tax bonus or loss carry forward. Let me explain. As a student, if you have some income but your expenses are more than the income, then there is a possibility to carry your expenses into the future tax years as a loss carry forward or tax bonus. This means that once you start a job after your master's, you could deduct this tax bonus from your taxed income. Say during 2 years of your master's, you incurred expenses of 7,000 euros per year. Once you start working, say at a salary of 40,000, then this 14,000 can be deducted from the 40,000 as tax-free money. If you also deduct the tax-free income, then you only have to pay taxes on 15,000 euros. Of course, you can save more on this 15,000 as explained in my other videos. The tax bonus can be claimed for up to 7 years, so don't worry if you don't get a job right after completing your studies. Now let's see how to do this in Elster. I will show you the form that I had filled for the year 2018. In 2018, I was just a student and did not do any part-time work. You can file your tax returns for previous 4 years. That means in 2024 you can file your tax returns from 2020 onwards. First you need to add the Appendix N or the Anlage N. Click on that form Appendix N. Scroll down. So here the things that are important for a student are the training costs and the further advertising costs. Click on the training costs. In the training costs, you can enter the semester fees, the cost that you incurred for the photocopies, books, the rent of your apartment, the cost of the furniture, and the radio tax that you pay every month. Here is the list of all the deductible expenses. You can pause the video or take a screenshot. After you fill out all the training costs, it will show you the total, and then click on next. In the further advertising costs, you can add the other expenses such as the visa extension cost, the health insurance, and here you can include the cost of photocopies or telephone costs if you have not included them previously. The moving costs, if you had to incur any in the previous year, that means if you change your apartment, the total would be shown here. Click on next. That's all that you have to fill. If you are only a student without any part-time job, then you just need to fill the fields 13 and 14. However, if you also do a part-time job, then you must fill all the other fields also. This is explained in my second video and I have posted the link in the description. Now go back to the home page and click on the Appendix Pension Expenditure. You have to fill this part only if you are doing a part-time job as a student. If you are not doing a part-time job, then you don't have to fill this. Click on the first one. All these fields have to be filled as per the Lohnsteuerbescheinigung. I have explained that in the second video and I have posted the link in the description. Click on next. For the point 2 also, you need to fill all these fields as per the Lohnsteuerbescheinigung. Similarly for 3, and that's all. Now if you go and check to calculate the tax. Here it will show you a refund of 0 because you won't get any refund. But if you check the detailed tax calculation, if you scroll down here, you can see that there is a negative tax refund. That means that this is a tax bonus or a loss carry forward. I have many more things to share by which you can save taxes, and no tax consultant will tell you about them. So please let me know in the comments if you are interested in knowing about them. Please do like, share and subscribe the channel.